Well, just like it is with most things, data,
Go to the right path. So,
The president of the Academic Staff Union of Universities ASUU, Professor Chris Pewuna, has described the daily strive by the Nigerian geriatric care over the past 4 years as enormous, while citing the policy framework and expanding access to support service as major success of the senior citizens. Professor Chris also led the University of Jos team at the ongoing Quality Assurance Assessors Training and Certification in Geriatric Social Care by NSCC in Abuja noted that the training is part of the National Senior Citizen Center to improve and enhance service delivery for the elderly in Nigeria. He highlighted the introduction of National Identification Number-based system enable older citizens to have access to grants, healthcare support, and social welfare programs. However, he emphasized the need for improved data collection to reach underserved elderly population, particularly those in rural areas or outside formal employment system. He noted that the major challenges remain access to accurate and inclusive data, as he said the system must ensure that the elderly farmer in a remote village is just as recognized as supported as a retired civil servant in the city.
well, just like it is with most things, data. I think the center needs to keep updating data. We need to have access to elderly people in rural areas, so we don't focus on just elderly people within city centers or retired civil servants who know their way around the society. We have farmers who have never been involved in any formal work. Those people need to be covered. And I also think that once this data capture, social register for them comes into place, we would be able to support them even health-wise. They can go into hospitals and get discounts for their health care, or even for free, if finances of the agency or government allows that. So a major gap is issue of data to capture as many people, genuine data, that cannot be manipulated.
Professor Pewuna was elected as the new national president of ASUU during the union's 23rd National Delegation Congress held in Benin City on May 11, 2025. Pewuna is a consultant in geriatric psychiatric and Dean of Student Affairs at the University of Jos, succeeded Professor Victor Emmanuel Osodeke, as his term as ASUU President will last for 2 years.